Hi everybody, this is Dennis from Hawk Bay Loft, Chico, California. It's nice warm 60 degrees here today. You can see the sun shining. I've got my young birds that I flew this year up flying, and they've been flying for almost an hour and a half. They seem to still have a lot of energy. I've had a great year this year. I won average speed in the club and the combine, champion loft, champion birds. I've had a great year. I really wasn't going to fly young birds this year, but I decided to. You can see all the leaves on the ground. They're still falling. I guess that's why they call it fall, huh? Let me see if I can spot the birds up there flying. Wow, they've been up a long time. I don't see them. They were here just a little while ago, and I guess they're just checking out the place, and then they're heading off into the sun where it's warmer. It's 60 degrees today, which is pretty nice. Here's my young hens, my breeder hens, I mean. Hello, sweetie, come here. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, look at these little hens. These hens are ready to breed. They are ready to breed. But they're not going to be breeding until February next year, so. Oh, there's my birds. Let me see if I can pull them down here. Not sure if you could see them come over. I'll try to catch them over here. Boy, they're flying high today. Just a light wind, but boy, they're up there high. Oh, they came over me again and I missed them. Let me check here. I don't know where they're at now. Oh, there they are. Now they're heading this way. Oh, so you might be able to see them. They're coming right over the top. Right there. Hope you can see them. They're really going good. Yeah, this has been a great bunch of young birds. Probably one of the best young birds teams I ever had. Well, I won't say the very best, but they're right up there with the top young birds that I've flown since 2006. These guys have extraordinary homing instinct, and they have great speed, a lot of speed. These guys tend to get out in front almost every race, and I kept them healthy. They also had, I mainly used just herbs this year, no antibiotics, and they done very well. I think the herbs kind of kept them up real in a high mode of health. They did really good. Well, this is Dennis from Hawk Bay Loft. Until next time, there they come right over the top. Try to catch them one more time. There they are. Until next time, bye-bye.